I turned this outdoor centerpiece into a picnic table for my action figures. But before we get into it, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. I found this centerpiece at the Goodwill. It's obviously a picnic table. I think the holes in the top were for ketchup, mustard, and salt and pepper. Then a little wire thing was probably for napkins. I used a Barbie that I found in the toy section to check for size, and it was definitely the right size for my G.I. Joes. A little bit of modification, and this is going to be a great picnic table for my action figures. I first had to remove this middle piece on the picnic table. I used a little pry bar and just pried it off. It was just held on by small staples. Once that was removed, that was pretty much it for that part. Took a little bit of wiggling to get that piece out, but now we don't need that. The next piece that had to come off was this metal wire napkin holder, and that was pretty easy to get off. I pulled up one side and then used my pry bar and pulled up the other side and popped that little thing off. Didn't need that anymore. And of course the last thing to get rid of was this price tag. And we're ready to start modifying it. I gathered up some popsicle sticks, some white glue, and my cutters. My plan was to cut the ends off of these popsicle sticks and lay them down. I kind of staggered them a bit so it wouldn't be an obvious seam. I think it looked better like that. Then after it was all dried, I used my Dremel and a drill bit to kind of router the edge to remove the other ends. And I put some bracings on the bottom of this to hold it in place. I'll probably end up going back and sanding it, maybe putting a clear coat or a stain on the top of it, but that'll come later. This picnic table is great. It fits about 4 people. This next picture you'll see that 4 people fit really fine. This would have been a great picnic poker game, wouldn't it? Lighting is just right. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for watching. Click the videos if you'd like to watch more, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.